tutorial on how to calibrate the Soul S77 treadmill. Take your key out, hold down your start button and your speed up button. While holding those down, put your key in and hold it down for a few seconds. You should get a screen like this. Alright, once you get that screen, you can go ahead and just press start and the calibration process will start. Alright, so you're going to see a screen like this. The belt's going to go ahead and start, and it will start slowly and then maybe work its way up pretty fast actually. Alright, the whole process takes about 1.5 minutes. So while it's doing its thing, just watch. Don't take the key out, don't do anything, just let the machine complete the calibration. On the screen you're going to notice that it's going to look like this, like it's loaded. It should say calibration mode. And looks like the calibration is complete. We're just going to wait for it to come back to the normal screen and then we can test it. Alright, so we are complete. Looks like it was successful. Let's press start and just make sure it works. There we go. It is working fine, and that's how you do the calibration.